In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation form to your Wix website with Donorbox. Whether you're running a nonprofit organization, a personal fundraising project, or a cause close to your heart, providing your visitors with a simple way to support you financially can make a huge difference. Wix offers an intuitive and user-friendly way to integrate donation buttons directly into your website, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. So grab your computer, log into your Wix account, and let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Wix. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a vertical panel filled with icons. This side panel is your toolbox for adding features to your website. Next, locate the plus icon in the side panel and click on it. This is the Add button, and it's where you can add new elements to your website, from text boxes to images and everything in between. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, a menu will pop up with a variety of options to explore. Now hover your cursor over the button option in the menu. When you do this, you'll see additional button-related choices appear. These options allow you to customize the type of button you want to add to your site, and in this case, we're focusing on a donation button. From here, move your cursor down to the Pay button section. This is the part of the menu dedicated to payment-related buttons, such as those for selling products, accepting payments, or, in our case, collecting donations. Once you see the PayPal Donate button option, go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you'll add a PayPal Donate button directly to your Wix website. At this point, the button is just a placeholder. To make it functional, you'll need to link it to your PayPal account. To do this, click on the Add PayPal Info button that appears. This will bring up a form where you can input your PayPal account details. In the PayPal Info form, start by entering the email address associated with your PayPal account. This is the email that donors' contributions will be sent to, so double-check that you're using the correct one. Make sure there are no typos, as this is a critical step in ensuring everything runs smoothly. Next, you'll want to specify the purpose of the donation. This is your chance to communicate to potential donors why you're raising funds. Keep it short and sweet, but make it clear and compelling. For example, you might write, "Support our animal rescue efforts," or "Help fund community projects." After that, you can set a suggested donation amount if you'd like. This can be helpful for encouraging donors to contribute at a level that supports your goals. Alternatively, you can leave the amount open, allowing donors to choose how much they want to give. The choice is entirely up to you and what works best for your cause. Finally, select the currency in which you want to receive donations. This step is especially important if you're reaching an international audience, as it ensures that donors can contribute in a way that aligns with your financial needs. Once you've selected your currency, everything is set, and your donation button is fully functional. And that's it. You've successfully added a donation form to your Wix website with Donorbox. Now, visitors to your site can easily support your cause with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe,